folks. Thank you for joining me for the Harrison Repair Show. I'm Brian Harrison. Actually, I just called Harrison Repairs. Um, and yeah, I just want to leave a friendly reminder. Don't please forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. And if you're on Rumble, follow me there. I upload videos there too. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And links and descriptions are in the home pages of both YouTube and Rumble. I want to say that I hope you enjoy the show, whether we're repairing something, whether we're showing tools that you can buy, simple, maybe even simple tools to help you with a repair. But I hope you enjoy today's video. So please sit back and let's begin the show. Alright folks, today I thought it would be cool to make a video. I bought this for repairing something, but I thought, hey, before I open it, before I used to do the project I want to do, I may as well show it. It's a 550 piece sheet metal screw assortment, and I'm going to use it also for repairing, possibly using for preparing a chair and stuff like that. It screws. But I always thought, I thought about it as I was getting it. I said, this would be great because we have this little on the show, on the Harrison Home Repairs show, where we show, I showed some tools that you should have in your toolkit, basic repair kit, because I feel like there's a few of you out there who need some help and understanding that, hey, you could buy kits, but don't forget to buy ready-made kits, and this is one of those ready-made kits. Don't, instead of going through and looking at different sizes of screws and try to figure it all out, and you could, and I don't think it's really that hard, but for those who it is, something like this comes in handy. That's why I want to do a video of it. Why screws? They're so boring. Well, this is, if you're just doing some basic repairs, so you look at all the different sizes. Here, I'm going to put it up towards the camera as best as I can. You can even pause the video and look at the different sizes all down here, and what you could do, or just go to Walmart. This one came from Walmart, and just see that there. You could probably go to Home Depot and other places and find bigger kits. But for what I was trying to do, having a kit like this, I've thought about maybe having a nail kit for something if I have to nail or anything. It's 550 screws, obviously, and a storage case. Total 551 if you're counting the case, I guess. But there you go. And so here, I'm just gonna open it, and I know people like you out there want to see the inside of this. So yes, let's get this open and figure this out. Oh, there we go. That's actually easier than some things. Okay, so we'll move the plastic out of the way. Don't need it. Bye-bye. Always love plastic. It's always in the way. So here, I'll just leave it there. I'll just show you the basic inside of what you're getting yourself into. But it's good for small home repairs. Here you go. And I'll just, you just keep the case. Obviously, you could just add this case to your kit, already made kit. Like I said, you could go to places like Walmart, Home Depot. They have ready-made tool kits, so you don't have to go and buy, you may want to add to it like screwdriver kits and stuff. But they'll give you a basic start, and this is another thing where you may not use all these sizes, but you have them if you need them, and you could probably just go in and replace them and do other things. But that's what it looks like for now. I just wanted to add this for those who have watched this and are interested in the fact that they're interested in my interest in saying, hey, we should all have at least, even if you live in an apartment, have some basic idea to repair some of your own stuff. Unless you have a great manager who comes around and wants to repair everything, even some of your broken stuff. This is something that it's nice to have some knowledge and repair. And there's plenty of videos on YouTube, I think, to help people with some repair stuff, basic repair. But having kits, having some of the tools is great to already have them, so you're not fumbling around and trying to, unless you want to go and buy everything quickly, which may be a wake-up call. But I thought this was a cool idea to show off, and that's all I have for today, guys. Just this little toolkit. You can see there's the box. You just shut it. There you go. Nice. It keeps your stuff organized. Put it in, put it in with your tools, and put it in your bag, or put it where your tools are, so you just have everything. You can just grab it, and you're ready to repair. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll leave with some closing thoughts. I thought you would enjoy at least saying that even my kit is ever evolving as I realize hey, I need a few things to fix a few things. So there you go. So hopefully you can run ahead of it and just buy some things you think you'll need. Screws, maybe some nails, and other stuff like that. They had a nail kit that was about like this that had a lot of different nails for different repairs. So I may think about getting one just in case, because I may have in the future. I'm not surprised if I would. But anyway, that's it. I'll leave with closing thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I want to thank you for joining us for the Harrison Repair. I guess we call it Harrison Repair Show, but it's actually Harrison Repairs. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today on video. And when we do these things, we take a camera and go and show you. We're not talking about it on a green screen all the time. So I want to thank you for whatever. If we showed you a repair or tool, thank you so much. But please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on our videos, and it helps us out a lot. And don't forget to follow us on Rumble and on Facebook. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a nice day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.